Hello guys, welcome. And today we will discuss how is IELTS writing task to assist. I've already posted a video on how is IELTS writing task 1 assist. So please check that out. Let's come back to IELTS writing task 2. So in task 2 you are given 40 minutes essentially and you have to write about 250 words. Writing task 2 comprises of 66% of your marks in the whole writing module. Okay. So let's look at some of the band descriptors that you will be assessed. First one is task achievement. So what is your biggest achievement or what should you aspire for? Firstly, you should aspire to write at least 250 words in 40 minutes. Okay. I often suggest students to write 250 words in about 35 to 36 minutes. And please leave about 3 to 4 minutes for rechecking your mistakes or for any missed punctuation marks and other mistakes that are often undertaken by the students or that often students make. Okay. So what is task achievement? Task achievement is address all parts of the question with clear and fully developed position and rare lapses in content and meeting all requirements of the task fully. Addressing all parts of the question. So if the question says, do you agree or disagree? Then give your opinion. What are the advantages and disadvantages? Okay. So you have to give your advantages as well as disadvantages. Do you agree or disagree? Give your opinion in the introduction only and then elaborate further. Okay. Also, meeting all the requirements. What are all the requirements? Writing 250 words, answering all the parts of the question, and making sure that your answer moves logically. Okay. Now the second part is grammatical range and accuracy. Ability to produce writing that is grammatically correct using both simple and complex sentences with correct punctuation marks. Of course, you have to make sure that the punctuation marks are correct, your grammatical mistakes, your spelling mistakes are bare minimum, and also you use connectors to transition from one statement to another statement. Okay. Lexical resources. Again, in lexical resources, it states ability to express ideas clearly, choosing the right words and phrases, paraphrasing plus wide vocabulary. Lexical resources is all about how the words that you choose are not only elaborative but are also that also fit in the context, that you have a wide range of vocabulary. But one of the most important criteria is paraphrasing. What is paraphrasing? Paraphrasing is changing the statement without changing the context of the statement. So for example, if the question states more and more students are going abroad for higher education. So you can say students from one country are preferring to go to another country for further education. Okay, that is paraphrasing. You have not changed the idea of the statement, but you have changed the language. Okay, so that is paraphrasing with minor spelling errors. With minor spelling errors. So do not make any mistakes in terms of spelling. The fourth point is coherence and cohesion. Information and ideas are logically organized with clear overall progression using a range of cohesive devices, paragraphing used correctly. Okay, so one of the question that is asked is more and more students are going to other countries for further education. Do you think the benefits outweigh the disadvantages? So you have to move your ideas clearly. Firstly, you have to write about why students are going for further education. Okay, what does further education entail to in abroad countries, as well as Then in the paragraph, you write about the advantages. And in the next paragraph, you write about the disadvantages. If in the same paragraph you write foreign education is very beneficial as it provides students with great experience, and in the next line you say that going abroad is very expensive, it does not make sense because you have not presented your ideas clearly. Okay, there is no there is no logic in your ideas. You have just changed your statement in one within one punctuation. Okay, so you have to make sure that your ideas are coherent. You give proper examples, whether you are agreeing or whether you are disagreeing. Okay, and further elaborating all the points. And also in your last paragraph, you write the conclusion. So what do you conclude? What is the summary of all your writing? Okay, so these are all the points for writing task 2 and its band descriptors. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please make sure to like, share and subscribe. And also, I've posted a lot of videos regarding lexical resources as well as how to improve your grammatical range and accuracy. So I hope you like this video and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you. So if you like this video, please make sure to hit the like and subscribe button